You can see here how to represent a determinant. If a matrix is given by -1, 0, 0, 2, you can transform this into a determinant like this. Determinant A is equal to -1, sorry, you should write a parallel line, -1, 0, 0, 2. What is the value of this determinant? The value of this determinant is nothing but product of whom? Principal diagonal elements minus product of whom? Secondary diagonal elements. We know what are principal diagonal elements and secondary diagonal elements. So take the product of this, that is -1 into 2 minus 0 into 0. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 0, so you'll get it as -2 minus 0, you'll get it as -2. Done. So first we'll solve few problems based on find the value of, for example, I'll give you a few questions. Solve with me. Rough book ಅಲ್ಲಿ solve ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. If determinant A is equal to 4, 2, 8, 7, determine its value. Second question, B is equal to -7, -6, -4, -5. So you can go ahead and solve. Is how to find the value of this determinant? It is the product of principal diagonal elements, that is 7 into 4 minus 8 into 2. We will get it as 7 4s are 28 alva. 7 4s are 28 minus 8 2s are 16. We will get it as 12. So ಅದೇ ತರ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. What is determinant of D here? Product of principal diagonal elements, that is -7 into -5. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then you have -4 into -6. Minus into minus plus 7 5s are 35 minus into minus plus 6 4s are 24. You'll get it as 11. This is the magnitude of this determinant. Again, ಯಾರ್ಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, you can assume that the area of the parallelogram got transformed into 12 times. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12 times ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 11 times ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ if you can compare 2 cross 2 determinant into a parallelogram, 2 cross 2 determinant always determines the area of the parallelogram. Done. 3 cross 3, that we'll see later. Now let us take the third question. So the third question is determinant C is equal to 5 plus root 2, 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2, 5 minus root 2. So what is the value now? Product of principal diagonal elements, that is 5 plus root 2 into 5 minus root 2, because product of principal diagonal elements minus product of secondary diagonal elements, that is 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2. Now use the identity. ಯಾವ identity? A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula? A square minus B square. Correct alva? So you can write this as what now by using that identity? 5 square minus root 2 the whole square minus, so whenever minus comes use bracket, 3 square minus root 2 the whole square. So 5 5s are 25 minus square root get cancelled 2 minus 3 3s are 9 minus square root get cancelled 2. Then 25 minus 2 is 23, minus 9 minus 2 is 7. So you'll get it as 23 minus 7 is 16. So how to understand this again? The area of the parallelogram got transformed into 16 times. Alva? So we have learned addition of vectors in the area of a parallelogram in first POC without knowing how to represent vectors and all. A matrix is nothing but a vectors in a simple word, or a matrix is nothing but a linear equations, because we have solved few problems also. Next, fourth one, question number 4. Determinant D is equal to 5 plus 4i and 2 minus 3i, 2 plus 3i, 5 minus 4i. Aita? Now, how to determine the value? That is product of principal diagonal elements. What are the 5 plus 4i into 5 minus 4i minus 2 plus 3i into 2 minus 3i. So again, whatever the identity you are using, write it on the right side so that you later gets to know, okay, through this identity you are simplifying. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So you can write this as what now? 5 square plus 4i, minus 4i the whole square minus 2 square, use the bracket, 3i the whole square. So 5 5s are 25 minus 4 4s are 16i square minus 2 2s are 4 minus 3 3s are 9i square. But remember, first POC nalli ಓದಿದ್ವಿ complex numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ I is equal to under root minus 1. Correct alva? Therefore, what is I square is equal to under root minus 1 the whole square. Square root get cancelled. I square is equal to minus 1. Alva? So I square is equal to minus 1. This is first POC in the. So you can say here 25 minus 16 times what is I square? Minus 1. Minus 4 minus 9 times minus 1. Why minus 1? Because I square means what? Minus 1. We'll get 25 minus into minus plus 16 minus 4 times minus into minus plus 9. So be very careful with the sign. You'll get 25 plus 16 is 41. 9 plus 3 is 13. So minus 13. 41 minus 13 is 28. Use your calculators. So how to understand this? If there is a parallelogram of this size, its area will get changed to how many times now? 28 times. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಳಗಡೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಅವಾಗ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬೆಟರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನೋ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, this question was asked in CET. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, if E is equal to determinant E is equal to tan theta minus secant theta minus tan theta, ಆಯ್ತಾ? Find determinant of E. ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾಗ? Determinant of E is equal to the product of principal diagonal elements, that is tan theta into minus tan theta minus, don't forget the sign, So within the bracket, secant theta into minus secant theta. Now plus into minus minus, minus tan square theta, then minus into minus plus secant square theta. So in a better words, you can write it as secant square theta minus tan square theta. Secant square theta minus tan theta. But we know one of the identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Secant square theta. Now send tan square theta to other side, you'll get 1 is equal to maybe secant square theta minus tan square theta. So what is secant square theta minus tan square theta now? 1. So the determinant of E is 1. Andre the parallelogram area remains 1. Andre it will not transform into anything. So with this understanding, hope you got to know how to find the value of what? 2 cross 2 determinant. So how to find the value of the 2 cross 2 determinant? If a determinant is given as what? AB, CD. So what is this? AD minus maybe BC or CD, whatever. Andre principal diagonal elements, product of principal diagonal elements minus product of secondary diagonal element. So remember, product of principal diagonal elements minus product of secondary diagonal elements. So if you are clear with this, I'll go ahead for order 3. ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಹೆಸಿಟೇಟ್.